Wow, he's scaring them all away. This one, he's got his head down. He's making like, he scares everybody away. We think that this one is his wife or something, and he's protecting her. Look how he's cruising around with his neck down.
Oh, you want your coat?
And then he scares, watch, he's gonna scare that one away. He just like flaps his wings. Oh, there he goes. Anybody that gets near his wife, he gets all worked up about it. There he goes, he's hunting again with his neck down.
God, I need something soft. It's too long.
There he goes. He's gonna scare somebody.
Get soft in the water.
I know, but it's too hard for me to.
Oh, I just hit that one.
Well, you also want to eat it?